we will study DBMS, Database Management System. Before starting syllabus, I want to say something. Please watch each and every video lecture in a proper sequence. While watching a video, first time when you will watch the video, don't make note of it. Watch it from starting to end and try to understand the concept. After watching one time, when you will watch it second time, pause the video and note down the concepts, whatever is being given in the video, and make a proper note of it so that it will be beneficial for you. You can revise it at a later time or during the examination. Understood? And in the video lecture, if there is any doubt or you are unable to understand the concept at any point in any video lecture, please don't hesitate. Feel free to ask me through any platform you are comfortable with it. Now let's see the syllabus. We will study integrity constraints and ER diagrams. Then we will study normalization. Then we will study queries. In queries, we will see relational algebra, SQL, and TRC, tuple relational calculus. Then we will study file organization and indexing, and in the last we will study transactions and concurrency controls. We will study from basic to advanced, and we will study in depth, and we will cover each and every point of the database management system. Thank you.